Short bowel syndrome with intestinal failure, or SBS-IF, is a disorder arising from an inability to absorb nutrients from food and fluid across the gut. It is often caused by surgical removal of all or part of the small intestine. A person with SBS-IF may experience malnutrition, diarrhea, and dehydration. SBS-IF patients who cannot meet their nutritional or fluid needs by eating or drinking may require long-term parenteral support. Some parts of the small intestine and colon produce an important peptide needed for the intestine to absorb nutrients. This naturally occurring human peptide is called glucagon-like peptide 2, or GLP-2. GLP-2 is released when a person eats food. It is secreted by L cells, which are found in various parts of the small and large intestine. GLP-2 plays an important role in the absorption of fluid and nutrients and has effects on both structural and functional components of the intestine. The structural effects of GLP-2 have been shown to contribute to increases in villus height and crypt depth. These structural effects result in an improvement of the functional absorptive capacity of the intestine. The structural effects of GLP-2 on the intestinal mucosa contribute to an increase of the surface area. GLP-2 acts to regulate cell growth and death of the cells lining the wall of the intestine. GLP-2 increases absorption of carbohydrates, amino acids, and lipids. It also increases intestinal and portal blood flow, inhibits the secretion of gastric acid, and decreases the movement of food in the gastrointestinal tract. Treatment strategies, in addition to parenteral support, have focused on the management of symptoms. However, approaches in the management of SBS-IF aim to improve the structural and functional integrity of the remaining intestine, increasing its capacity to absorb fluids and nutrients, and potentially decreasing dependence on parenteral support. Revestive is an analogue of GLP-2. It is created by substituting alanine with glycine in the second position of the peptide. By substituting this single amino acid, Revestive becomes resistant to in vivo breakdown by the enzyme dipeptidyl peptidase 4, or DPP4, compared to naturally occurring GLP-2. This results in an extended half-life. Revestive has been shown to preserve mucosal integrity by promoting repair and normal growth of the intestine through an increase of villus height and crypt depth.